we are all in our own ways choreographers. Dance is movement, I would say. It doesn't have to look like what we think that it looks like when we see it on the stage.
Well, good job, Sarai. Good job, Dave. Good job, everyone.
Candace.
Ready? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Candace.
1, 2, 3.
Celine.
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Teaching yourself takes bravery.
Especially yourself bravery, you said?
It takes bravery.
Oh, it takes bravery. Come on. It does.
At these residency workshops, have they given you tools or information to be more brave in expressing yourself? Because I know session 1 we did the mapping,
Mhm.
and this week we did rhythm and percussion, so we sort of like found different entry points into creative play.
I think that the further away you are from dance, the more intimidating it looks because there's so much to learn and there are so many different kinds. But then once you get into it in a workshop like this, you can see that choreographing your own dance isn't all about knowing first position and second position, that anything around you can inspire movement.